Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. You're watching me Dolly Cruz. Friends, in this video I'm gonna share how I spent my day to Holi here in Sangla Valley in Kinnaur region. Sangla Valley is very popular for celebrating Holi, and how I spent the second day of Holi here in Sangla Valley. I'm gonna share that in this video with you all guys. But if you are watching my channel for the first time, you can subscribe my channel and also do hit the bell icon. So here Holi is celebrated very nicely in very cultural and religious manner. People go to the temple. Popular temple here in Sangla is Beringnaag temple. People from all over the places nearby Sangla come there and visit Beringnaag's temple, and they enjoy there. They gather, they play damrus, they dance, they wear their traditional dresses, and totally they enjoy they are doing it for the first time, and they do it in the same manner in every year. So luckily this year I celebrated Holi, and I think it was my best Holi ever I have celebrated till now, and this is what I'm going to share in this video with you all. So let's see how it all went. Mornings are always beautiful, but it becomes more beautiful and fresh when it rains. This is my first morning in Sangla Valley, and I feel lucky watching this beautiful weather. So I decided to start my day doing my yoga session like I do every day. Yoga is a part of my life, and I do it every day because it helps me gain the positive mindset, and it makes me ready for the further. So guys, it's the time to get ready for the Phag Mela, and my Masi is introducing these dresses to me. These are the local dresses of Kinnaur. So let's see what she's saying about these dresses.
और ये है गच्छी, और ये देखिए ये है किन्नौर की ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी। ये पड़ा हुआ है, इसको फुल टोपरू बोलते हैं, और ये जो बीच में है ये हाफ टोपरू है। ये देखिए ये हाफ टोपरू है, और ये भी ऊपर जो आप ब्लैक दोड़ू देख रहे हैं ये फुल टोपरू है, तो छल्ली। तो इसके साथ आप लोग देख सकते हैं ये इसको याद है
तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है? तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है मैम?
अमेजिंग, कितना ब्यूटीफुल है।
दिखाइए। वाव, चांदी का। अब ये ऊपर से पहनना ना।
तो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग फाग मेला में जाने के लिए रेडी हो गए हैं ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस में, और आई थिंक हम बहुत ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे क्यों है ना?
Yes.
ओके, तो मैं तो यहाँ की नहीं हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता यहाँ पे कि इन सब चीजों को क्या बोलते हैं। तो ये दो किन्नौरन मेरे साथ जो खड़ी हैं, मेरी कजन्स, ये जरूर एक्सप्लेन करेगी पूरी ड्रेस को। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद गिनी। गिनी, इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
इसको चोली बोलते हैं।
ओके, सो ये चोली है जिसको हम एज अ जैकेट पहनते हैं, एंड ये सिमिलर हमारे इसकी तरह होनी चाहिए। अगर ये रेड कलर की होगी तो कैप भी रेड कलर की होगी, और अगर ये ग्रीन है तो ये कैप भी ग्रीन होगी, राइट?
यस।
और अंशु, इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
इसको हम दोड़ू बोलते हैं।
हाँ, ये पूरी बॉडी को कवर करता है हमारी, एंड इससे हम कवर होके उसके बाद इसको पहनते हैं जिसको हम चोली बोलते हैं।
हाँ।
एंड इसको क्या बोलते हैं गिनी?
इसको गच्छी बोलते हैं, जो दोड़ू को संभालना होगा।
एंड ये जो बैक साइड है ये काफी अट्रैक्टिव होती है। It's like a पूंछ। So we're gonna have fun and we are going for the mela now. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
पिट्टा पिट्टा हे हे
स्विचा 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 स्विचली स्वीटी बजाओ से चोली स्विचा 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 हे 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 या गप्पा 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 गपली चाशो तोरो छे चोली गप्पा 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 गपली हे 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 या।
फ्रेंड्स, अब हम जा रहे हैं बेरिंगनाग के टेम्पल पे, एंड सभी हम रेडी हो चुके हैं। देखो मेरे आगे कौन चल रहा है, मेरी मासी एंड मेरी छोटी छोटी कजन्स। आई थिंक हम बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी लग रहे हैं। ये कल्चर बहुत ज़्यादा रिच है। हाँ हाँ आ रहे हैं। सो हमें बुला रहे हैं क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा हम लेट हो गए हैं, रेडी होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है। एंड यहाँ का कल्चर सबसे बेस्ट है, सबसे ज़्यादा रिच है एंड मेरा फेवरेट है प्लस ये ड्रेस। सो देखते हैं फाग मेला में क्या होता है, जो कि होली के दूसरे दिन होता है। सो लास्ट डे होली थी। रात का व्यू आपने देखा होगा एंड अब दिन का व्यू मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ।
मंदिर जा रहे हैं।
ये है बैरिंगनाथ टेम्पल का रास्ता एंड ये मेन रोड से थोड़ा सा नीचे है। तो विजिट करने के लिए आप रेडी रहिए। आई डोंट नो वहाँ पे हमें अलाउ किया जाएगा वीडियो के लिए या नहीं, मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि वीडियो डेफिनेटली कैप्चर करूँ आप लोगों के लिए। सो लेट्स गो। और यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है। मेन डोर ऑफ बैरिंगनाथ टेम्पल एंड अब मैं अंदर जाने वाली हूँ। बाकी लोग चले गए हैं। मैं थोड़ा वीडियो शूट कर रही थी इसलिए लेट हो गई। सो मैं अंदर जा रही हूँ। बाय बाय।
I have never seen such kind of formal dance before where people coordinate so much while dancing. Dancing for me is just fun, but when I saw their dance, actually which is called Mela here, they were so much coordinating with each other. They were smiling, there was a smile on their face, and they were like praying. Their dance is all about praying to the deity. Fag Mela is all about dancing around the deity which is placed between the temple in the middle. So people dance together, joining their hands with each other, and they dance in a circle following some special footsteps. Makes the dance very attractive and very adorable. People wear common dress, the traditional dress which is dodu and the green cap along with the jacket, and they follow these steps in a circle around the deity. They dance for hours and they enjoy dancing like this. The dance is very simple and very easy, as I have also learnt in a day only. The most attractive thing and fascinating thing about this Mela is that people do not require any DJ or any computerized music, as they sing their songs on their own from their mouths. People coordinate so much while singing also, especially the ladies sing a song which is commonly known by everyone, and they sing and they dance together. They do not even require any instrument, as only instrument which is required is a common band, which makes the environment very light and fun loving, full of enthusiasm and full of energy with positive people. After a few rounds of Mela done by the local people, some people, especially the men, they picked up the deities and they placed the handles of the deities on their shoulders. The deities were placed before in the middle, and now they are on the shoulders of few men, and I can see that deities are dancing on their own. Before I used to feel that it is something superstitious when I used to watch such kind of stuff on YouTube or any video, but now when I am watching from my own open eyes, I can really feel the energy watching these deities dancing on their own. They are swinging on their own and people can't even handle it properly. The men are also going in a direction where the deities are moving, and it is quite difficult for the people to handle it as the energy flow is too much high. I am really amazed and I feel blessed watching such kind of magical thing. as I can really feel that gods exist, and I can really feel that there is some high energy which is even higher than us. I can see that from my own open eyes.
जब वीडियो बनाने देवता जी तब
The whole environment has become so energetic, and people are watching and joining their hands. They are praying, they are asking something from God, and it is like if you believe something, it becomes true. And
अरे पीछे को जा रहे हाँ देख मैंने देख चुपचाप देख रहे
here, deities are meeting with each other, they are joining their heads, and it's a symbol of love. They are brothers by relations, and they are spreading love to each other and even the people around them. After the dance of the deities, now these deities are placed inside the temple and the temple is locked. So there is no need of dancing formally, and we can really enjoy dancing informally, which means that we don't have to follow the circle now. We can dance anywhere in the whole ground. And this is how this whole day ended, and singing, and I enjoyed the whole night, and this was my best Holi. And I hope you will come soon here to visit this place on Holi. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.